Now this is nice sailing. Doesn't have that insanity of some of the stuff we've been through. It's just good 5.5 knot sailing, maybe a 15 knot breeze. Oh no. Just cruising along, enjoying the weather. There's a low settling in off the north coast, and so the wind is now shooting up Strait of Georgia, giving me an easter, southeaster. I gotta be tucking in there in a few, well, give me an hour. Gotta tack my way up the strait. I could be in less than an hour if I turn on the motor, but why would I not want to be out here sailing? It's wonderful. Not too intense. Just moving by the wind. There we go. Sitting here doing 6 knots. We're going to be tacking as soon as I hit that line, which is the path that came out last time. And just enjoying the freedom. Been able to be out here, the wind. It's kind of strange not having a crewmate after all this time. I've been with people, since we left a month ago, and now I'm alone. No Ibis, no Sheldon. He would love this. He would love this. People think I'm crazy. Maybe I am. It's just so much bloody fun out here.